Assalamu alaikum, dear boys. Welcome to Borishal Cadet College online class program. I am Mohammad Kamaluddin Monir, lecturer in mathematics, Borishal Cadet College. Boys, you know, corona pandemic is very much alarming this time. So you must stay home and be aware of coronavirus. Due to corona pandemic, our regular classes are not being held. So that I am here to take care class virtually. Today, I'll take a class or trigonometry chapter C and D. This is second class. I'll solve some exercise from this two chapter. In previous class, I have discussed formula and some example, also some exercise. Learning outcome. After completing this lesson, cadets will be able to determine trigonometric ratios of associated angles, apply trigonometric ratios of associated angles, prove some formula of trigonometric ratios of associated angles. Boys, these formula are very much important for trigonometry chapter 7. You must keep in mind this formula. This 28 formula is very much important. Without this formula, you cannot move one step. So remember this formula. And in every problem, I'll discuss this formula, which formula is used to solve the particular math. In side note, I will use it and you will understand the uses of this formula in mathematics. First problem, sine 10 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 50 degree, sine 70 degree equal to 1 by 16. We have to use this formula, formula number 14. 2 sine A sine B equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This formula will used here. Also, formula number 11. 2 sine A cos B equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Here, left hand side, sine 10 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 50 degree, sine 70 degree. And we know sine 30 degree equal to half. And here, sine 10 degree is written, sine 30 degree equal to half. And here, sine 50 degree, sine 70 degree. We need extra 2 to apply the formula 2 sine A sine B. To apply this formula, we need extra 2. And taking extra 2, we introduce 1 by 2. So that formula will be 2 sine A sine B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Here cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. Sine 10 degree, 70 minus 50, that is 20 degree. 70 plus 50, 120 degree. And multiplying this 1 by 4 sine 10 degree cos 20 degree. And after that, and cos 120 degree is equal to minus 1 by 2. So that we write this. So last line, so 1 by 8 sine 30 degree, 1 by 8 sine 10 degree plus 1 by 8 sine 10 degree. And 1 by 8 sine 10 degree vanished. So that, and sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. So final value is 1 by 16 and it is right hand side. I think boys you understand this. Now next problem. Formula sin C minus sin D will be used. Yeah, left hand side. Sin theta sin 120 degree plus theta plus sin 240 degree plus theta. Sin theta will remain same and sin 120 degree plus theta. 120 degree, suppose 120 degree plus theta equal to C and 240 degree plus theta equal to D. So formula will be 120 degree plus theta. We replace it 180 degree minus 60 minus theta and 240 degree plus theta will be 180 degree plus 60 plus theta. And later on we will use sin C minus sin D formula. Here sin 60 degree minus theta after calculating it using quadrant. This is in second quadrant and this is in third quadrant. And you know the formula of quadrant, and using quadrant it will be sin 60 degree minus theta and it will be sin 60 degree plus theta. So sin C minus sin D formula will used now. So sin C minus sin D, 2 sin C minus D, C minus D by 2 cos C plus D by 2. Using this formula we get 8, and cos 60 degree, value of cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. So that the value will be 0 and it is right hand side and it is our record proof. Now problem number 3, cos 70 degree minus cos 10 degree plus sin 40 degree equal to 0. Required formula cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So left hand side cos 70 degree minus cos 10 degree plus sin 40 degree. So in previous, you know formula of cos C minus cos D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2. So we get 2 sin 40 degree sin minus 30 degree plus sin 40 degree, and after calculating we get 0. So which formula is used here? Cos C minus cos D, but written cos C plus cos D. You must remember this, and cos C minus cos D also cos C plus cos D formula. Now prove that sin 18 degree plus cos 18 degree equal to root 2 cos 27 degree. Remember this formula. Here sin 18 degree means sin 90 degree minus 72 degree. It will be cos 72 degree. So we replace it by cos C plus cos D formula. So that it will be 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And I think it's very easy problem for you. Value of cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. Finally we get root 2 cos 27 degree. Now another problem, cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha minus sin beta whole square equal to 4 cos square alpha plus beta by 2. And this problem is very much important for your exam. So practice it. Required formula, cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. 1 plus cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A. Now using the formula A plus whole square and A minus B whole square, we get cos square alpha plus cos square beta 2 cos alpha cos beta plus sin square alpha plus sin square beta minus 2 sin alpha sin beta. It will be 2 sin alpha sin beta, square will be vanished. This is printing mistake. Next, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1. Cos square beta plus sin square beta will be 1. And take 2 as a common. We get cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So it will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. It is cos A plus B, that is cos alpha plus beta. We use formula 3 here. And 1 plus cos 2 equal to 2 cos square A. Here 1 plus cos alpha plus beta will be 2 cos square alpha plus beta by 2, and 2 is here. So it will be 4 cos square alpha plus beta by 2, and it is our right hand side proved. Now another important problem. If A cos alpha plus B sin alpha equal to A cos beta plus B sin beta, so that cos square alpha plus beta by 2 minus sin square alpha plus beta by 2 equal to A square minus B square by A square plus B square. Record formula cos C minus cos D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2, and sin C minus sin D. 2 sin C minus D by 2 cos C plus D by 2. These two formula will be used here. Given A cos alpha plus B sin alpha equal to A cos beta plus B sin beta. Now changing side of A cos beta and B sin alpha, we get, and taking A as common, we get A into cos alpha minus cos beta, and here taking B as common, we get B into sin beta minus sin alpha. Now using the formula cos C minus cos D and sin C minus sin D, we get this. After side changing and vanishing, dividing this side, both side by 2, we get this, and also changing side. Here sin beta minus alpha by 2 and sin beta minus alpha by 2 will be vanished. And in this line, we squared in both sides. Now using componendo dividendo, and dividendo, we get this line, componendo dividendo. So here sinus, you know the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So that here sin square alpha plus beta cos square alpha plus beta by 2, it will be 1, and this term will remain same. So that we can write cos square alpha plus beta by 2 minus sin square alpha plus beta by 2 equal to A square minus B square by A square plus B square. Now a very hard and important problem for you. This problem is also very much important for your exam and also for creative question. Record formula sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Also cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Now sin theta plus sin phi equal to A. Using the formula sin C plus sin D, we get this line, and by squaring we get this line, 4 sin square of theta plus phi by 2 cos square theta minus phi by 2 equal to A square, and this is equation number 1. And also cos theta plus cos phi equal to B, this is given, and using the formula cos C plus cos D, we get this line. Also by squaring we get this. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get this type. So here you know the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So that sin square theta plus 5 by 2 plus cos square theta plus 5 by 2 will be 1. So only cos square theta minus 5 by 2 will remain same, and 4 is here. Now cos square theta means 1 by sec square theta. So that we can write in this way. And you know the formula sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. In class 9 you know this formula sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Using this we write 1 plus tan square theta minus 5 by 2 equal to 4 by a square plus b square. Now side changing. After calculating we get this. Therefore tan theta minus 5 by 2 equal to plus minus 2 to the power 4 minus a square minus b square by a square plus b square, and it is our required proof or required problem solution. Now another important problem. Show that tan alpha plus pi by 3 plus tan alpha minus pi by 3 equal to 4 sine 2 alpha by 1 minus 4 sine square alpha. First formula will be used here. Sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Also 2 cos a cos b equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. But you must remember the first slide, that is formula slide, and it is also written in your book. So be careful about this formula. Also the formula cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. You know tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Using this we get this line. By LCM we get this one. So formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, it will be sin a plus b. Also here we need 2 cos a cos b to use this formula. So we take 1 by 2 and also 2. So 1 by 2 into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, this will be so in denominator we used formula 13 and numerator we used formula 1, that is sin a plus b. So it will be sin 2 sin 2 alpha and it will be cos 2 alpha plus minus 1 by 2. Value of cos 2 pi by 3 is minus half. And by calculating we get 4 sin 2 alpha by 2 cos 2 alpha minus 1. And cos 2 alpha means 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, or 1 minus 2 sin square a. So that finally we get 4 sin 2 alpha by 1 minus 4 sin square alpha, and it is right hand side. So these three formula are used here. Another problem, if tan square theta equal to 1 plus 2 tan square phi, so that cos 2 phi equal to 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. Required formula cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Now solution. Given tan square theta equal to 1 plus 2 tan square phi. Changing side. Invertendo using now dividendo, componendo. using dividendo componendo. 1 minus tan square phi by 1 plus tan square phi equal to right hand side this line. So using the formula cos 2a, we get 1 minus tan square phi by 1 plus tan square phi will be cos 2 phi. Now three minus tan square theta will be written in this form. So finally we get cos 2 phi equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. So here this line is very important. How we get 3 minus tan square theta into the form 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 into 1 minus tan square theta. And also here use the formula cos 2a. Now a creative question. Scenario 1, a equal to tan theta plus 2 tan theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. Scenario 2, here a right angle triangle ABC where angle C equal to 20 degrees is given. Problem 1, show that sin square pi by 8 plus theta by 2 minus sin square pi by 8 minus theta by 2 equal to 1 by root 2 sin theta. Recurrent formula equal to 1 by minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta, or 1 minus cos 2a equal to 2 sin square a. So left hand side sin square pi by 8 plus theta by 2 minus sin square pi by 8 minus theta by 2. So we write 2 sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a, that is half into 1 minus cos 2 into this angle, minus half into 1 minus cos 2 into this angle. So after calculating, we get this line. And you know the formula cos a minus b minus cos a plus b equal to 2 sin a sin b. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b will be 2 sin a sin b. And sin pi by 4, that is sin 45 degree, will be 1 by root 2. So we get 1 by root 2 sin theta, and it is our right hand side. Now from scenario 1, prove that a equal to cot theta. Solution: 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. We know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. So writing this here, and you know the formula sin 2a. You know the formula sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Here sin 8 theta means sin 2 into 4 theta. So it will be written 2 sin 4 theta cos 4 theta using the formula sin 2a. Now using LCM we get this line. So by calculating, cos 4 theta and cos 4 theta will be vanished. So only 4 cot 4 theta will remain same. Similarly, 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 cot 4 theta will be 2 cot 2 theta, and tan theta plus 2 cot 2 theta will be cot theta. Left hand side, tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. It will be this. So that finally we get cot theta, and it is our right hand side. Now from scenario 2, prove that root 3 AC by AB minus AC by BC equal to 4. It is given figure. Using this figure, AC by AB equal to cosec 20 degree. Also AC by BC equal to sec 20 degree. Now left hand side, root 3 AC by AB minus AC by BC equal to root 3 cosec 20 degree minus sec 20 degree. Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta and cos theta means 1 by cos theta. By LCM we get this line. Now dividing numerator and denominator by 2, we get root 3 by 2 cos 20 degree minus 1 by 2 sin 20 degree by 1 by 2 sin 20 degree cos 20 degree. Value of root 3 by 2 is cos 30 degree. So now finally we get 4 cos 50 degree by cos 50 degree. Cos 50 degree and cos 50 degree will be vanish. The value will be 4. So finally, therefore root 3 AC by AB minus AC by BC will be 4. Now some homework for you. This homework is very much important. This C and D are solved in this lesson. So since these two problems are very important, I put it in homework so that you can practice it. Boys, if you have any question or anything you don't understand, please let me know through comment section. Finally, be aware of coronavirus. You know, prevention is better than cure. So be careful, avoid contact with sick people, wash hands with water or sanitizer, avoid contact of animals, wear surgical mask outside. Thank you.